Hey everyone, Joe here. I'm going to do another quick unboxing. Today I have the EDIFIER TWS1 Pro. I'm not going to go over too much of the details on it. I'm just going to keep it a quick unboxing. We'll go ahead and open it up here on the side. Go ahead and tear that off. What do we got here? Slide it on out. No? Okay, yes, it does. So go ahead and slide the sleeve off if I can. Jeez, doesn't want to do it. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on a second.
2 hours later.
Smooth. Absolutely smooth. So, got a little bit of nice foam in there. The butts come packaged like that, wrapped up. Put those right there. Go ahead and see what else is in the box. Got the little holder. Oh, God. Got lots of paperwork. What do we have here? Stop fighting me, paperwork. FCC. Wow. Quite the guide here. Looks like a guide in many different languages. Looks like warning. Oh, good Lord. I'm not going to open that. The actual manual, which is just absolutely adorable. 2 sets of ear tips. A tasty snack. Just kidding. Please don't eat that. A rather cheap feeling USB-C cable. And what is this? Quick start guide. Well, looks like nothing spectacular. So, this right here, with all of this paperwork, is everything you get in the box. Ta-da! There you go. Have a good day.